Hello viewers, welcome to our today tutorial on global mapper. I'll be taking you on step by step on how to generate your contour line on global mapper. So having added our DEM so far our data, we are using digital television modeling. So I'm going to generate contours. You can see there on that box. So I'm using interval of 75 meter. I'll leave alerts at default. So I will apply on OK. You can see it's generating the contour section now. Please do to subscribe to my channel, like and share, and stay tuned for other more videos on global mapper and ArcGIS, QGIS and ArcGIS Pro. Subscribe, like and share. So you can see here is the contour line we are using so far using on global mapper. You can see how beautiful it is. So I want to change the color of the global mapper, so I will click on go to layers, so you can see now. So you are changing the color of the contour line value. So here is the contour line generated using global mapper. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share, so that you'll be the next to be notified on our new videos. Okay. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.